today at a DNA diagnostic center collection site. I've brought along identification for myself and my daughter to ensure that we follow a proper chain of custody. A proper chain of custody will allow us to follow the samples throughout the entire testing process.
The first step was to fill out an identification form that required my thumbprint and the thumbprint of my daughter for identification purposes. Next, they had us take a photo to ensure proper identification of everyone that was being tested. Now it's on to collect my DNA. In the past, blood samples were a common method used to collect DNA. Today's methods are much easier. DNA can just as easily be collected from my cheek cells as from a blood sample. To avoid cross-contamination, the sample collector changes gloves before collecting the next sample. Now, I know I had mentioned earlier that it was simple and painless. It sure is. You can tell by the smile on my daughter's face. Once our samples were collected, the swabs were placed in an envelope and then sealed with tamper-proof tape. The collector will bring it over so I can verify the information on the envelope. This will ensure that we follow the proper chain of custody all the way through the entire testing process. Once it's verified, I'll go ahead and sign for approval, showing that I've read this information. That's it. The process is painless, quick, and easy. I'd highly advise those of you in need of paternity test to use a qualified laboratory. At this time, I'd like to thank the staff of DDC for walking us through the entire paternity testing process. For further questions, please visit their website at www.dnacenter.com. Thanks, and have a great day.